Hello, hi everyone. Myself Fareen Khatun, and you are watching 360 Academy. Hope so you all are doing good. Today we are going to discuss about top 15 fellowship exams in India. As you know, for a PhD student, how important fellowship exams are. Most important for the student, most of the student doesn't know about the different exams, so they rely on a one or two exams. So it's going to be very important video to all life sciences students who are thinking about doing their PhD and cracking a fellowship exam from India. So before starting, I want to say that please the channel and hit the notification bell icon so you can never miss any update or miss any notification whenever I upload a video. So let's begin. Our first fellowship exam is CSR UGC NET. As you all know that this is a very important exam and everyone knows about it how important this is actually mother of all exams. Twice a year, June and December, conducted by NTA, and mode of examinations is CBT. CBT means it's an online examination. Most of the fellowship exam are is nowadays in computer based exam. The second most important exam is our NCBS, which is National Center for Biological Sciences. This is actually twice a year, December and then in Feb. It's conducted by TIFR and the mode of examination is CBT. Our very third examination is DBT JRF, which is Department of Biotechnology exam. This is twice a year and there is a tentative date is April now and conducted by DBT and mode of examination is CBT. Then we have TIFR. TIFR is related to Tata and it's actually once a year, that is November, nearby November, and conducted by TIFR, TIFR. This is the most important exam after the CSR, which is GATE, GATE, JRF. It is happen once a year around February, actually conducted by CSR IIT. Then we have our sixth exam, which is NIMHANS, Institute of National Importance. This is those have the aim of going on neuro like nerves and brain and neurological department kind of, and their interest in doing research in this field, they must go for this exam. This has happened twice a year and their tentative dates are nearby February. Exam dates, form you have to go for form earlier, before it is around December and or January starting week, and it's conducted by NIPER. Then we have our seventh exam, JNU. JNU conduct their separate exam. It's all also rely under CSIR, but they have also conduct their separate exam. Their tentative date is nearby May, and examination forms are released around March. So you can go for their exam, and this is conducted by JNU themselves. Now our very important and next exam is Birla Institute of Technology and Science. It's BITS Pilani actually, we call that, and its tentative examination date around June and July, and it's conducted by BITS Pilani. Now, who don't know about the AIMS? AIMS also separately conduct their fellowship exams for PhD students. and it's really important. Those who want to go for from different department, AIMS is really reputed and well known institute of India. So those are thinking about going in this. They have separate exam also other than CSR, and their tentative date in July and conducted by AIMS itself. Then we have the next examination, which is NDRI. NDRI is another important exam, and it's in June every year, May or June, tentative every year, once a year exam, and conducted by NDRI itself. Then we have another exam called BARC. Those have you seen about the movie Parmanu? Parmanu movie, that their very important role of BARC. Those have the thinking of going in interest in for neuro, basically nuclear, atomic, or some kind of energies, and they can go for this. Tentative date of exam is March and conducted by BARC. Now this is another important examination, fellowship exam, which is conducted by IARI, Agriculture Institute of India. So those have interest in agriculture, soil, or plants, crop improvement kind of research field. So those students can go for this exam. It is their tentative date around May and conducted by IARI. Then we have another exam, ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, serving the nation since 1911. It's conducted its exam twice a year, July and December, and it's conducted by ICMR itself. Have another remaining exam called GAPT. GAPT is for pharmacy. BIMC is for bioinformatics, and NRBC providing you the information about this examination, their website in description box. You can check them out and go through their website and get the proper information about like syllabus and dates and whatever you want, and pattern, etc. Go through this and like, share and subscribe the channel. If you find the video helpful, then share with your friends, and stay happy, stay healthy.